I came down to the gym to do my workout, and my buddy has followed me here, and he thinks this mat is set up for him, so I don't know what to do, but he seems quite keen on joining me for my workouts. Are you? You wanna work out? Yeah. You wanna work out? Okay, let's get to work. Bruno the Beagle leading the way. Right? Keep going. Go on. Go on, Bruno. Go on. Go on. Go on, go on.
Wish you a great and safe Diwali from me and this big guy right here. He's scratching me. What the hell are you doing?
Interest-free on balance transfers with the Citibank Rewards Platinum Card. But hurry, this offer...
Still got the tag on it.
What? Easy. What?
Go.
It's so cute.
ये मेरे को भी बुक से मजा नहीं आती पर इसके साथ में डर नहीं लगता ये बुक
Yeah, very.
You know, that's one reason why I love dogs. So I'm trying to get back, train hard, and this guy just comes and sits with me and he's watching me train. So I love you. My rehab's going well, training hard to get back onto the field, can't wait. But a big shout out to the fans, and just want to say that I'll be back soon, and in the meantime please keep supporting RCB and make sure we have a good start. Cheers, God bless.
Hi. Hello. Sit here. Sit here.